The pressure and the anticipation for your JAMB result is already on. Every one of you has been asking me for your JAMB results. I mean, everybody is interested in knowing what did I score after all the stress, after all the years, how did I perform in the JAMB result? And my work is to give you the latest updates, how you can check your JAMB result without much hassles, what you need to check your JAMB result and everything. And that is what I'm going to give you right now. The basic thing you need to know if you are watching this video right now, if you are watching this video now, is for you to know this. This is an official information. I just want you to pay attention. Hey JAMBites, about the UTME result. The UTME result has not been released as of this moment. As of this moment you are watching this video, for 2025, your result is yet to be released. So stop panicking, stop the panic. I told you, once the result is on, I keep dropping these videos because every single hour I keep getting messages, sir, what about my results, sir? I have checked and I have not seen it, sir. This one. And of course you know that 2025 JAMB ends by 5th of May. Right now, the exam has not even ended. Okay? The UTME result have not been released. There is no official info from JAMB about the date to release it. So JAMB has not given us any date. JAMB only stated that the result will be released as soon as possible. I shared with you in a previous video of the statement that JAMB released in the official Twitter X handle, the Twitter handle. They said that the result is still ongoing, but you can expect your JAMB result after the JAMB exam. So I told you that if you are watching this video before 5th of May, then know that JAMB result is not released. But from 5th of May, that exam will end. From between 5th to 6th of May, we should be looking at JAMB giving us your result, and you can go ahead to check it. The problem with many of you is that you tend to believe everything you see on the internet. Many of you are worried because you keep seeing fake screenshots. Some people are already sending fake screenshots saying that they saw their JAMB result. It is not true. As of this moment, your JAMB result is not ready. Once it's ready, I will be the first to tell you how you can send the code. I've even done some videos, but I will still reiterate it in this video. Some of you go as far as trying to check for yourself. So your JAMB result is not ready. Are you getting me? Even when you go to Google, some of you go to Google and you just see any info flying around. This is the same way many of you believe that so many places to find everywhere, including those that promise to offer you help to upgrade your exam. So just calm down. Not all the things you are seeing online is the truth. JAMB has not given us the result. Once the result is given to us, it will be sent. You can access it. You don't even need to go to anybody. You will be able to check it. But I just need you to calm down. To check your result, when the result is eventually out, you will primarily need your phone number. That phone number you use for your registration or your JAMB registration number. You basically need your phone number and your JAMB reg number. You can access your result through the official JAMB result checking portal, which I will give to you. Additionally, if you need me to give you the official JAMB portal, the link, I can give it to you. Additionally, you may also need your JAMB e-pin or profile code. Here is more breakdown. JAMB portal, you just go to the official JAMB portal. You can find the link on the JAMB website or other verified sources. So I am telling you to, sister and brother, just try to calm down. The required things you need are your phone number. That phone number you use in registering for JAMB. That part, I will keep saying this. That particular phone number you use in registering for your JAMB is very, very important. I always reiterate that you keep it safe and sound. Your registration number. If you don't have access to your phone, you can use your JAMB reg number. The JAMB, you might need to enter your JAMB e-pin or your profile code, which can be accessed from the JAMB internet or through sending your NIN to 55019 or 66019 as per the instruction provided in the JAMB frequently asked section. To check your result, once you enter the required details, click on check my result or similar button. Your JAMB result will be displayed instantly. You can screenshot or print it for future reference. Okay, this is very important. I've often told you that for you to check your result, just open the SMS app on your phone that you use to send message and type UTME. Just type this UTME result to 55019 or 6601. I've kept saying this. This is the simplest way, the simplest of the simplest of the simplest of the simplest way to check your JAMB result. Without internet, without data, without Android phone, just your normal Nokia Touch or Tecno or any Pangala phone. Just open the app and type UTME. Just this thing in tick, UTME result. Then you press send it to this number 55019 or 66019. Just type the number exactly the way it is without a space. UTME RESULT in capital letter. Don't give space. Just send it like this. You just send it to 55019 or 66019. Once you send it, of course, ensure you have money in your phone. You should have up to 50 naira or 100 naira, because once you send it, they will charge you. They will charge you. The network provider, whether it's MTN, Glo, Airtel, or Etisalat, will charge you 50 naira. Do you understand? You know, normal SMS is 6 naira currently in Nigeria. It used to be 4 naira, but it's not 6 naira. But for this particular checking of your result with your SMS phone, it will be 50 naira. Make sure you have the airtime on your phone. Are you getting me? Make sure you have airtime on your phone. Then you can also check online. You just go to www.jamb.gov.ng. Just visit www.job.com.ng. Look for the link that says, you will see a link once you click on www.jamb.gov.ng. you see a link and you just click on it, check UTME result. Once you click on www.jamb.gov.ng, you will see a link that says check UTME result. Click on it, then enter your JAMB reg number or the phone number, anyone they ask you, then click check my result. Once you click on it, your result will be out. Your result will be looking at you face to face. So this is simply how to check your JAMB result. But remember, this method I share with you works only when JAMB result is out. Only when JAMB result is out. Do you understand? If you want me to send you the link, let me know in the comment section. If you're having any challenges, any issue with your result, let me know and I will share it with you in the comment section. There's an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.